Almost everyone starts this wrong, but I'm going to be showing you the right way to approach this question in no time. We are asked to look for the value of x plus 2 times y plus 2. Most people will start solving from equation 1 and equation 2. That is totally the wrong approach to start with. Now, the easiest way is to start with what they asked us to look for. Now, let's expand it. X times y is xy plus x times 2 is 2x plus 2 times y is 2y plus 2 times 2 is 4. So when we simplify this, we have xy plus 2 is common, so we can factor out 2. Now we're left with x plus y, right? Then plus 4. Good. Now, notice something. Xy, we've already got xy to be 10, so we have this. But what we don't have is x plus y. But don't panic. We can get x plus y from our second equation. So let's do that. So let me say from equation 2. From equation 2. Let's expand. X times y is xy plus x times 1 is x plus 1 times y is y, and then plus 1 times 1 is 1. We equate this to 20. Very good. That is a complete equation 2. Now pay attention. We've already got xy as equation 1. Xy is 10, so I'm going to be putting 10 there, plus this is x plus y. That is what we're looking for now. And then plus 1. This is equal to 20. Now, when I move 10 and 1 to the right-hand side, we have x plus y to be equal to 20 minus 10 minus 1, right? So that x plus y becomes 20 minus 10 is 10, minus 1, that is 9. Very good. So we now have x plus y to be 9. Now let's put this here in what we're looking for. So xy is 10, so that's 10 plus 2 times x plus y, that is 2 times 9, and then plus 4, so plus 4. So notice that 2 times 9 is what? Is 18. So I'm going to be replacing this with 18. So let's calculate. 10 plus 18 is 28, plus 4 is 32. So our final answer gives 32. And there you have it. Well, if you enjoy episodes like this, click the video below.